Hello and welcome to CAD World channel. In this tutorial of Creo Parametric 10, I will demonstrate how to create a sketch-based or sketch-driven pattern of holes in order to work parametrically inside Creo Parametric. Okay, so you are seeing here, this is a slab of dimensions as given here. Its thickness is 20 and its length is 200 and its width is 100. Okay, so and I'm going to place some holes eh, on the four corners of this slab. Okay, so how we can establish a parametric relationship and create a sketch based pattern, so you can follow here. Now we will start with a sketch. Okay, now we'll draw a sketch on this face. Okay, now we will start with the sketch using construction mode, and then we will create a center rectangle. Okay, now we will create a hidden line. Okay, so in order to view it better, now you can see here that these dimensions, I will place some dimensions. Okay, now picking these two lines, and now I'm going to place a dimension of 10 millimeter. Similarly, I will give this dimension to be 10 as well. Okay, because we want to place the holes from 10 meter from this edge and 10 from this edge. Similarly, these distances will be 10. Okay, on the four corners. Now we will use a point and place this point. So you have to check that while placing the point, the construction mode should be off. Okay, so we will place point on all the corners of this construction created sketch. Okay, so you can see here that we have placed 4 points. Okay, on this construction mode driven sketch, but these points are placed after switching off the construction mode. Okay, so in this way we will click on OK. Our sketch is complete. So our sketch is only containing these 4 points, and this construction mode driven sketch is only helping to create it. Okay, now we will go to creating with edges. Okay, so we will switch on the point display so you can see the points. Now we will create the hole from the hole command and then select one of the 4 points which has been created as a result of the sketch. Okay, so its diameter is 8 and we can change this its depth to through all. Okay, so this is our first hole. We will press OK. And so how we are going to create a pattern of this hole. So we will select this hole and select pattern from here. And now we will change the type of pattern from dimension to point. And now this setting is from sketch, so we will select this sketch one, which contains the 4 points. Okay, so when you're going to select this sketch, then all the points has been selected, so this original hole will be patterned to this remaining 3 points as well. Okay, so you can see here that our pattern is ready here. We have created the pattern. Okay, now what is the benefit of this sort of pattern? This pattern is very useful because if we if at some point of time we want to change the dimension of this slab, say if we want to change the dimension of this, okay, so from 200 to 250 and from 100 to 150, say. Okay, now you can see here that the parametric relationship between the size of the plate and the offset of these holes from these edges is intact. Okay, so that is not changed. So you can see here that in this way you can see here that the dimension of 10 is because that dimension was from the this edge, and then this construction line similarly from this edge to this construction line, that is established. Okay, so uh, that is the benefit of using the sketch based pattern to use this to create the holes very smartly and parametrically inside Creo Parametric. So hope you have learned something from this video. So please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.